Marvel Rivals loading screen stuck at 99% fix. I'm going to tell you how to fix the 99% loading screen issue in Marvel Rivals. Okay, first, restart the game in your PC to see if that helps. If not, verify game files. On Steam, right click the game, go to Properties, Installed Files, Verify Integrity. On Epic Games, go to Manage, Verify Files. If you're still stuck, try installing the game on an SSD instead of an HDD. Also, lowering graphics settings like anti-aliasing and super resolution can help. If it's still not working, try running the game as administrator or try compatibility mode. If nothing works, reinstall the game completely. That should fix the issue and get you back in the game.